Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Hello everyone, we are back. I'm Nico, co-founder of GeekClub. For decades, me and the team have been crafting gadgets for geeks, always inspired by space exploration.
Hi, my name is Albert. When I was 5, I dreamt of being an astronaut. When I turned 18, I founded CircuitMess, a company that has already turned more than 50,000 people from consumers to inventors. Together with my friend Nico, we have embarked on our most ambitious journey yet. We have decided to make a real, working, scale model replica of the Perseverance rover for you to build at your home.
Inspired by Mars exploration, we have been studying thousands of official documents, blueprints, and everything we could to bring you an authentic experience. This comes also alive thanks to microchipped electromotors and artificial intelligence.
The product is made out of actual circuit boards that are super detailed and conduct electricity. But this is much more than just a static model. This is a fully functional robot with 4 motors, a dual-core processor, and an onboard Wi-Fi.
You want more capabilities? You can upgrade your rover with camera, additional modules, and cutting-edge AI algorithm. Imagine simulating your own Mars mission right from your desk. You connect your rover to your computer and you code your own mission. Our goal, our wish, is to bring you into the Space Odyssey.
Product comes with a Lego-style instruction manual and video tutorials. You will learn the basics of soldering and how to code your very own space exploration vehicle.
We have designed more DIY kits that celebrate the most iconic space mission in history. Voyager, NASA's longest-lasting mission, still transmitting data after 45 years in space.
Juno, famous for capturing the most detailed images of Jupiter. Discovery, the legendary space shuttle with 39 successful missions under its belt. The Artemis watch, a wrist gadget inspired by NASA's upcoming Artemis spacesuit. We have successfully delivered 7 Kickstarter campaigns, raised more than $2.5 million, and made hundreds of thousands of geeks all around the world extremely happy.
When I do research, I'm always amazed on how space engineers manage to bring simple solutions to take us so far. And I wish to transmit my passion of exploration through DIY activities.
We didn't just create a space rover. We have created an opportunity to explore, learn, and be inspired. We have combined our skills and knowledge to create something truly unique. 2 companies, 2 crazy scientists, 1 goal: to bring space exploration to your desk.
If you want to go the extra miles, you can upgrade your rover with sensor, cameras, and AI tools.
Imagine piloting a NASA rover from your couch. Our mission control module does just that. It's a DIY controller with a joystick, precision encoders, Wi-Fi, and an LCD display that allows you to see what the rover sees. Our journey has been incredible, and every single step of the way has been inspired by dreamers like you.
Today we are reaching out, not just as creators, but as space enthusiasts.
Join us on this Kickstarter adventure! Support, share, and let's explore the universe together!